Croissant meets waffle. Let's make these crispy golden croffles. Start with ready-made croissant dough. Separate the pre-cut triangles. Roll each piece into a classic croissant shape. Preheat the waffle maker and brush it lightly with melted butter. Place 2 rolled croissants inside and close the lid. Cook until they are golden, crispy and beautifully pressed. Open it up. Look at those gorgeous golden croffles. Carefully remove both croffles and place them on a plate. Drizzle them generously with warm, glossy chocolate. Add fresh berries and a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. Crispy outside, flaky inside. Just look at those layers. And that's it. Delicious golden croffles ready to enjoy.